If you're using Mixpanel or considering using it for product analytics, you have to try Eleanor, a super powerful AI tool that will forever change how you approach analytics. How does it work? You upload a screenshot of your product's UI. In this case, I'll be using Netflix. It could be web, mobile, or just a Figma frame. You upload a screenshot, include the email where you'd like Eleanor to send the results to, and your company name. You hit submit, and in under 60 seconds, you'll be receiving an email with a fully mapped out tracking plan. Now, she doesn't stop there. She provides a clear map of your key events and properties that your product needs to track. She lists the critical business questions you should be answering and provides implementation guidance that's simple and actionable. She explains why it matters, tying every event and property to your business goals, leading to smarter, faster decisions that drive real impact. And most importantly, Eleanor transforms analytics into something anyone can understand. In a moment now, we should be receiving the results. You open your tracking plan, Analytics Master Spec, and this is what she was able to do with one single screenshot. She lists the event names, the triggers for when exactly these events should be triggered, and the business questions. How do users interact with the home screen? What content drives highest engagement? How often do users save content for later? Which categories are most popular, etc., etc. And you can see also the properties that she chose to include. For example, play content. There's content ID, content type, content name, content categories, play source, and you can see that there are more events that she's included here. She's including both event properties and user properties, and this is with one single screenshot. Now, if you like Eleanor as much as we do, help us spread the word. Reach out to at least one PM or entrepreneur and share this with them. They'll be forever grateful.